Hey, what's up, traders? Let's look at NQ and what we may need to see to navigate tomorrow's price action. So we are currently sitting on the monthly time frame. We are currently inside of a monthly sell zone, and the reason, or I guess not inside, yeah, we are inside the monthly sell zone. So we have this monthly candle here. This monthly candle was the beginning of a really big move down here. So this whole zone here is potential sell-off area. We'll definitely won't just blindly take shorts or anything like that. We'll let the market develop. We just keep in mind that this is inside a monthly sell zone, and it was a pretty big sell-off from this. So just one thing to keep in mind. Also, we have a weekly sell zone that we're currently really close to, that we tapped into last week. So we had this candle tap into it, and it is this candle right here, the last up move before a really big down move on the weekly. So just two things that are saying that a big sell could be in the works. But as you can see, it has been a lot of sell volume recently that has been keeping the price action contained to in between this candle here, this last push up. The price action has not been able to really successfully go above this candle, this last push up here. So that's just one thing to keep your eye on as we navigate this week. We did have a pretty bullish, look on the price action today, to where we initially went down and then bounced off of this lower level to finally break this level here. We were trapped below this line here. You can see we tried to push up and we just kept getting slapped down, and then finally closed above, and we're holding above. But keep in mind, we're at a really important smackdown level where this whole zone here has been keeping the market down. We had to push up, push down, struggle to get up there, then push down, find support, push back up, slap down, push up, slap down, go back up. We did break above here on the tariff, on some tariff news, but immediately just closed right back below and then sold off. And so we're right back above it. We'll have to wait and see what we look like in this zone during, the first 30 minutes of price action during the New York session tomorrow morning. So just keep in mind that this zone is super important, but we don't blindly want to take a short from here. And who knows, we could just absolutely sell off from here and start breaking some of these lower levels on the 4-hour time frame. But we'll have to just, play that by ear. If we do see some downside, we want to see these levels start breaking, like the 21,303 level, potentially the 20,940-ish level, and so on. Just, if we are going to see that big move down, we'd have to break some of these levels and then get below this 200 moving average. So that's what we're looking like on NQ. As far as ES goes, very similar setup. We're now at a level to where we've been struggling at. We pop back into this last little sell-off zone here on the monthly. We're in a monthly sell zone. I don't think we've hit the weekly sell zone just yet. So it's one thing that has me kind of still, I wouldn't say hesitating, but just believing that we could potentially pop up here to this zone before selling off, as this was the last, weekly candle up before a really big, push down. So keeping an eye on that as well. And then just like NQ on these lower time frames, just have to see how the market may react during New York session tomorrow, to where if we're able to maintain price below these levels that we have marked out here, these 4-hour levels. So if by 10 a.m. Eastern we're still either above or below one of these levels, that's a sign that we could want to go up and retest higher levels or go down to lower levels. This was a fake out today that I was able to profit on my my funded futures accounts. I didn't trade it on my personal account at all today. I was in some options that I wanted to exit and just let catch a different setup. So I wasn't trading on that account today as far as anything else, but took this short down here, just knowing we're going to have some sell volume kicking in this monthly sell zone. So was able to catch it down to the 76 level from the I think it was somewhere around the 5,900. So decent day. But other than that, again, we'll have to navigate and see what we look like tomorrow morning and just go from there. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting for sure, because it's gonna be a ton of, when it actually kicks in, it's gonna be a lot of sell volume when it actually does kick in. And also we broke on both trend lines. So we got trend lines going up here, we broke below it, kind of hovering, so should see a break there. And then here on this one, again, we have the trend line that, let's see, I'll get it mapped out a little more accurately. So you can see here, we're going up, we broke through that trend line, so now we're kind of hovering. So when we do start to get that volume down, it should be a pretty gnarly move. So we'll keep paying attention to what the market looks like over the next week, and after tomorrow's session I'll upload another video. So hopefully that was helpful, and I'll see you guys soon.